Have you ever wondered how the Adventure Time universe works? Well, today I'm going to be trying my best to explain it to you. And what if I told you it's a lot more complicated than you might think? First, how do we see the universe portrayed as in the series itself? The Adventure Time universe is actually a multiverse, as revealed in the episode The Lich, and its follow-up, Sven the Human and Jake the Dog. This multiverse is a set of multiple distinct universes or dimensions, of which the land of U, the rest of Earth, and Mars are parts of. The concept of the multiverse is based on the popular real-world idea that various parallel universes may exist with different physical laws, histories, and/or dimensionalities. In the series, a holographic map of the multiverse is displayed when the sword of the Enchiridion is turned sideways. Each dimension on this map is represented by a unique three-dimensional shape, although it's unclear whether these shapes are actual representations of the dimensions or just symbols to help distinguish them. The main dimensions we know about from the series are this dimension. This is described as the universe in which we currently reside, and is presumably where most of the series takes place. On the multiverse map, it's visualized as a sphere inscribed within a spinning cube, the time room. This is a special dimension that exists outside of time and generates the so-called time waves that all the other dimensions experience as the passage of time. It's the dwelling place of a being known as the almighty Prismo, who is responsible for the time waves. On the multiverse map, it's visualized as a cube with the smaller cube-shaped voids in the center of its faces. Connected dimensions. These are two dimensions that are permanently connected through a portal. Not much is known about them, aside from the fact that they are the only dimensions that seem to be linked to one another, aside from the rest of the dimensions. There are also other possible dimensions, including the Crystal Dimension, the Nightosphere, the Dead Worlds, Lumpy Space, Astral Plane, Pillow World, Spirit World, and Warren Ampersand's Homeworld. And wait, is that the please subscribe dimension? I think it is. Well, while you're here, please subscribe, it helps so much, but let's get back to it. Connections between these dimensions can be formed artificially by artifacts of great power. Some of these artifacts include the Enchiridion, Prismo's Pickles Jar, the Crystal Apple, and Philface. Each artifact has a unique way of creating these connections and allowing characters to travel between dimensions. In Adventure Time, not only do the multiverse and its dimensions allow for incredible journeys through the artifacts of great power, but they also introduce a deeply intricate and mysterious concept, the cosmic imagination. You're gonna have to bear with me here, but at the end, I give some analogies to help you better understand. The cosmic imagination, also known as the cosmic mind or simply the multiverse, is the sentient multiverse that governs all of creation in the Adventure Time universe. This entity is the source of all magic throughout the cosmos, and it's said that any being that channels its power can gain the ability to control reality itself. Due to its nature, very little is known about this entity, but it plays a significant role in the series and its lore. The cosmic imagination possesses numerous powers and abilities, including superhuman physical characteristics, reality warping, higher dimensional existence, space-time manipulation, causality manipulation, perception manipulation, dream manipulation, mind manipulation, void manipulation, elemental manipulation, creation, and regeneration. Despite its immense power, it relies on the perception of others for its existence, which means that if there are no beings left to perceive reality, the cosmic imagination might cease to exist. The cosmic imagination has been described as being multiverse level plus in terms of attack potency, meaning it has the capacity to influence or affect multiple universes at once. It is said that any being who learns to tap into its power can create and destroy whatever they wish. In terms of speed, the cosmic imagination is omnipresent, meaning it exists everywhere at once. Its lifting strength is immeasurable due to its infinite size and its status as reality itself. Its durability is also multiverse level plus, although its existence can potentially rely on the last being who perceives it. The range of the cosmic imagination is multiversal plus, meaning it can affect or influence multiple universes simultaneously. Its quote-unquote standard equipment includes everything in existence, including the Catalyst Comets, the Maid, and other powerful objects. The intelligence of the cosmic imagination is unknown. It's been stated that the multiverse is not really self-aware, it only thinks it is, and was considered to be sentient. The cosmic imagination could be nearly omniscient due to its nature as the embodiment of the multiverse. The concepts of the cosmic imagination and the cosmic mind are primarily fleshed out in the canonical tie-in book, the Enchiridion, which explains the lore, history, and cosmology of the Adventure Time series. Okay, now that we got that whole mess of an explanation out of the way, let me try to help you better understand what each term means. Sentient multiverse. The cosmic imagination is essentially the consciousness of the universe itself. Think of it as like a giant brain that encompasses all of reality. In the same way that your mind has awareness and control over your body, the cosmic imagination has awareness and control over the entire universe. Source of all magic. All magical powers in Adventure Time come from the cosmic imagination, like a power grid supplying electricity to a city. In this case, the grid, cosmic imagination, is providing magic to all beings in the universe. Reality warping. This is the ability to change the physical world at will. For example, imagine if you could turn a book into a bird, or make an object float in the air there just by thinking about it. This is what beings can do when they channel the power of the cosmic imagination, higher dimensional existence. This suggests that the cosmic imagination exists beyond the 3 dimensions of space and 1 dimension of time that we're used to. It's a bit like how a 3D object would appear to 2D beings beyond their comprehension and seemingly able to do things that defy the laws of their world. Space-time manipulation. The ability to manipulate space-time means the cosmic imagination can alter the fabric of reality itself, changing the distance between places or the passage of time. It's like being able to make faraway places close, or to speed up or slow down time. Causality manipulation. This is the power to change the cause and effect relationships that govern the universe. If you dropped a ball, for example, causality ensures that it falls to the ground due to gravity. But with causality manipulation, you could change this so the ball floats upwards instead. Perception manipulation. This means that the cosmic imagination can alter how beings perceive reality. This can invoke making someone see things that aren't there, or not see things that are there. Omnipresence. This means that the cosmic imagination is everywhere at once. Imagine if you could be in every room of your house at the exact same time. That's a small-scale version of what omnipresence would be like for the cosmic imagination. Now, the most important one, dependence on perception. This is a key vulnerability of the cosmic imagination. Its existence relies on other beings perceiving reality. If no one is left to perceive reality, it might cease to exist. It's like if everyone in the world forgot about a particular book, and that book disappeared because of it. Now, I'm sorry if you still can't wrap your head around this mind-boggling concept. I know I sure didn't the first couple of times, but that's pretty much all we have to go off of. If I missed something, please make sure to let me know in the comments below. I see every single one of them and try to apply to as many as I can. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe. It helps so much. And thank you all for 3,000 subscribers. You all mean the world to me, and I'm so happy that I get to make these videos and discuss Adventure Time with people who love the same thing. But as always, stay adventurous.